is to meet you. That is my profit in coming here. A businessman is an artist. An entrepreneur is an artist because there is something inside of you that you want to bring out, you want to show. And sometimes you look for people to join you. You know, there's that drive that they can't stop you because it's coming from inside of you. And when sometimes my young people, they say, don't tell anybody your idea, they will steal it. I say, no one can steal it because it's inside of you.
If you're able to recognize the kind of business structure you want, you'll be able to put it like it will be in the long run, so that in that 2030, you will know that, okay, I've already been able to put or apply this kind of business structure, and it will be a continuous thing in my business.
You to get to the next level is because of your past performance.
There are channels. There are channels that you will go through to reach out. Don't close your mind.
Our host today, you get it. I know some of you here, but I'm meeting you here, and I'm making a commitment here. And that commitment is that I am going to work hand in hand with them to see that we improve our local economy.
All right, the Small Business Big Doing event has been a wonderful time. It's a whole day event. And for me personally, I believe that this is a huge step for Niger State. Because like they say, to get to 1,000 miles requires a step, and I really think this is more than a step. A lot of people were inspired, a lot of people got what they need for them to start.
I've learned so much. This has to do with organizing a business model canvas for my business, which will go a long way in making me structure and efficient and effective.
A really eye-opener to me and to the others, most especially our association. Most of these people that attended this workshop are part of our association, and we've gained a lot.
Thanks to Paritie Innovation Hub for giving us this opportunity for providing the necessary things it all takes for us to be comfortable here. We thank them, and we hope that we will continue collaborating with them, and the Niger State government needs to collaborate with them in order to boost the talent of our younger generations to get into business and to know what businesses is all about.
The event is actually an educative and also entertaining event. I was able to learn how to create a business model canvas for my business, and also how to do a business plan for my business.
Well, for one, I like how everything was organized. There was a time set for every particular segment. There was a time set for every particular segment, and it was strictly headed and followed. And the speakers that came, like normally when I go for events or seminars, I get bored fast, but this was really, really captivating, and I got a lot of things I could even jot down from. So it was really, really enlightening.
So the event was very amazing, to be very honest. The whole service was top notch, and the whole crazy thing is it was for free. I'm so glad and grateful that I took this opportunity, because I got to know about this event today, and I don't regret coming, because from the whole service, the different speakers were on point. I learned about a whole new stuff, many things that I thought I knew before, business, DMCs, networking and all of that. So all thanks to Paritie and their team doing a great job, and I'm really grateful for the privilege as well.